Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. Brilliant ways to clean your refrigerator naturally. You don't want to use chemicals to clean the inside of your fridge, as the food will absorb the smell. Try a natural homemade fridge cleaner. This cleaner will cut through grease, disinfect, and leaves a clean, natural smell. Number 1. Create a homemade all-purpose cleaner by combining the following in a gallon of hot water: 1 cup clear ammonia, 1/2 cup vinegar, and 1/4 cup baking soda. Pour into a spray bottle, or use from a bowl with a sponge. This no-rinse formula is a degreaser that prevents mold and mildew. Wipe down the entire refrigerator with this solution, including the drawers and shelves. Number 2. To prevent grease and odor buildup on top of the refrigerator after you've cleaned it, just buff some paste wax into the surface. Number 3. Use toothpaste to remove tough stains. It contains a gentle abrasive and has a pleasant odor. Number 4. To get those dust bunnies out from under the refrigerator, remove the grill and run a yardstick covered with a pair of pantyhose underneath. Also check the pan of water under the unit, since it can hold unpleasant smelling water. Number 5. To combat household odors, fill a clean old sock with activated charcoal from an aquarium store. Tie a knot in the top and place it in the back of the refrigerator. This will last a month or 2, depending on the size of your refrigerator and how heavily you use it. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know. Number 6. For a faster fix for odors, sprinkle vanilla extract on some cotton balls, place in a shallow dish, and put in the refrigerator. The orange extract also works. Number 7. Eliminate lingering odors in your vegetable bins by putting a crumpled piece of a brown paper grocery bag inside and leaving it for 48 hours. The paper will absorb the odor. Number 8. Check for adequate tightness of the insulating seam around the door by placing a lighted flashlight inside the refrigerator and closing the door. Turn off the lights in the room. This should be done at night, and see if any light escapes from the seams. This will help you pinpoint any leaks. Number 9. If you don't keep your refrigerator full, fill a large bottle, at least a gallon, with water and leave it in the refrigerator. It helps keep the refrigerator cool and running efficiently. Number 10. Keep your refrigerator at 37 degrees. Watch our other cleaning videos below and find out the best top 5 all-natural cleaning tips. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. FastKlean works in partnership with EcoBravo. Together we want to change the world. Check our descriptions below to see our favorite products and use a special code for a 10% discount when you order via our channel.